Vikas, what is your first main idea or passion, I would say?
My passion is learning and teaching, and second is trading.
Trading. So how can you combine learning and teaching with trading?
But we have writing them. We are writing down, so it was learning and teaching changed.
So writing came from that.
Okay.
So I started writing. but then I thought that it is with everything that I do.
Okay.
I want to learn and teach.
Okay.
So whether it is writing, it is trading, it is the byproduct of learning and
So you want to combine trading with learning and teaching.
Yeah, but trading in what is stronger is day trade.
Day trading.
Yes.
Okay.
so and third one.
No, पहले बताओ ना combination का क्या मतलब?
Combination writing about trading.
Writing about
How
day trading.
Writing about day trading, how we could.
Very good. That combines your learning
How to do
as well as writing as well as trading.
All the things related to trading.
Day trading,
Yeah.
not normal trading. You are focused on day
Yes.
trading.
Day trading.
So be specific. Because specific is what?
Terrific.
Terrific. Okay.
So and third passion is new technologies. So
Fine.
New technology of what?
new technology means any new technology related to like electronic stuff like mobile and programming.
So what do you do?
software.
What do you want to do in new technology?
So I want to learn what is coming next. How can I use
Okay.
it to add value to myself, manage my time.
Okay. So now, how can you combine the first idea, which is writing with the new technology?
Writing about new technologies.
Writing about it. Okay. Now you got two ideas. One is writing about new technology, and second is writing about the day trading. So how can you combine the two?
What we discussed was that we can write about day trading, and he said that there's some new apps that come on day trading, and also you can write reviews on them about blogs.
Fantastic. You got it? Thank you, Vikas and Nitesh. Now you are done. What is your main idea or passion?
Business.
Business.
Now,
What is the? I mean, when you say business, you need to be more specific. It's a general word.
yeah, and coming to then, the other things that came along with it were like cars, technology, movies, or creative. So now, I haven't got really far, to be honest.
So business is one passion here you have. You want to do business. You want to be #1 businessman in India. Let's say that's your passion. It's a good passion to have, by the way. Beat Mukesh Ambani in his game, right? Yes. Okay, that is #1. What is your second passion?
Cars,
Cars. So how can you combine the two?
technology, cars,
No, technology or cars?
cars.
Cars. So how can you combine being #1 businessman in India with cars?
It's too big a interest.
No, think about it. You have it's there in my mind. I don't want to say. I want to hear from you. It's everybody would be clear how you can combine first and second. So just think.
Not able to. If I was able
Is
to.
everybody clear how to combine his #1 and 2? Everybody is clear. Give a coaching to him then, instead of me giving. But who would like to coach him? How he can combine #1 and 2?
I have a question
Cards.
about cars, designing cars or knowing about cars, the infrastructure of cars or something like that.
You said car, CA car, right?
Yeah.
And a businessman. I mean, that should be combined. I mean, business along with that, right? Fine. Can I suggest something about where is car automatically comes? I mean, in your life automatically. Fortunately, right now that gentleman right now वो हमारे साथ में ही है. He started his this line his career और अपना आप को आगे ग्रो करते चले गए. पैसा बिजनेस होता चला गया. कंप्लीट इंडिया में उनका बिजनेस होता चला गया और कार ऑटोमेटिकली आनी शुरू हो गई. फर्स्ट ईयर में कार आई मर्सिडीज, सेकेंड ईयर कार आई ज़ाइलो, थर्ड ईयर आई ब्रेवियो, और लास्ट ईयर 18 अप्रैल को गाड़ी आई वॉल्वो, कॉस्ट ऑफ 68 lakhs. अभी फिफ्थ गाड़ी दैट आई डोंट नो, दैट विल बी, आई मीन सम अनदर, वो कार मैं नहीं जानता, बट लेकिन कार आज कमिंग, कीप कमिंग, कीप कमिंग, कीप कमिंग. 4 गाड़ी, 5 भी नहीं, 6 भी होगी गाड़ी.
Come to the point, please.
Yes, yes. So that is business with car. This gentleman, Siddharth. इनके इस बिजनेस में कार ऑटोमेटिकली आ रही है.
उनका सवाल ये है कि बिजनेस उनका पैशन है, कार उनका दूसरा पैशन है.
तो कार सारी ना.
बिजनेस को और
तो
कार
क्या
को
करें?
कैसे कंबाइन कर सकते हैं,
Action बताइए ना.
उनका ये सवाल है रिगार्डिंग कार. वो कार में क्या करें, या कार का बिजनेस करें, या कार को मार्केट करें, हाउ वी कैन कंबाइन द टू. डीलर फॉर एग्जांपल,
I was asking that question.
That was the question. Right?
Car
Designing is
marketing or
certainly not there.
designing a-
Design is not is of your.
yeah, correct.
Come
What
on.
you like about cars, or what is important here?
The mechanical, the technology in the car,
The
everything.
infrastructure of the car.
Infrastructure, yeah.
Okay, what the quality?
Developing it, you know, the quality.
You can sell cars, you can sell accessories, so the latest
You can
technology.
take up a car dealership.
कार
You know, you can make a place where people are like in a certain segment there are parallel cars going. So how do you make a differentiation between different cars? You can give them know-how as to what you're looking at, like questionnaire, and you can help to find which car to buy in that segment.
You got it? Okay, now come to the third
Like a
one.
BMW, Mercedes,
Very good. You got the idea, okay?
Audi. How would I choose between the three of them? It's a very difficult one. बड़ी चाहिए, छोटी चाहिए, ऐसी चाहिए. So you could put in specs, and you're dealing with the top end stuff.
Yeah.
Good, thank you.
Yeah.
You know, being a
Fantastic.
stand-up comedian.
Thanks, Surya. Now, what is the third passion?
Technology.
Technology. So how can you combine being a businessman and being in technology?
Yeah, so you give the technology.
Like she said, you know, give the technology specification.
Buy the German, buy the
Buy the
British,
German.
buy the
So you are now combining all the three basically. So being a businessman using car technology, right? So that means you are going to develop new accessories. You are going to
So
start a business
enhance the.
which enhance the existing
Existing
accessories.
stuff.
Also
So
develop
what
R&D lab to develop
client
new
is what you get to know.
of a type of
Custom
accessories.
made to the client's needs.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.